Here we are, June 19th, $38.99, Suite 101. And we have the warehouse demising wall from 0 to 15 feet. You can see your line right there. We've got it at a level 5 finish. It's pretty beat up. And then we just took care of a level 4 finish up top. We have a 1-for-1 light swap, 5000K LEDs with sensors, 32 of them. We've replaced all of our emergency exits that were dead, and we have replaced our backup lighting. You can see right up there. We're running about a 40-foot candle after everything is on. I'm estimating, just from what it looks like. We have the guys inside painting. We're going to do the outside of this wall in white, but we've done the inside offices in white and did the ceilings. So we're going to take a walk in there. This is what is commonly referred to in this industry as a white box. We come through and clean everything up. You can see some of the drywall patches that still need to dry. We've replaced some of the lights, but all of the lights in this office will get replaced with LED flat panels. We'll do that next week. We've got a dark gray base and a gray-blue carpet tile going in. 2 of the offices. The floor that's underneath this is protected, it's painted. Walls have turned out fantastic. We're going to replace all the switches and all of the receptacles with white plates. Completely freshened up. The demolition that happened in this front office, we went ahead and took off the demolition or the secured areas in this area right here that was covered up, so we now have a lot of natural light coming through this storefront. Turned off the HVAC so we're not wasting it. And that is us. By the end of next week, we'll have all of this down. We'll have the carpentry or carpet in, base on, and the warehouse will be painted. And we'll be cleaning on the 30th. You all have a great weekend.